Each year in the United States, more than 100,000 people are injured or even killed in crashes with semi-trucks on our highways. The Joye law firm in South Carolina has represented numerous victims in semi-truck accidents. Mark Joye from the law firm joins us now for a closer look at these trucking accidents and what's being done to prevent them. Mark, have you seen a large number of semi-truck accidents in your area?
Yes. Here in Charleston, with the port activity, we have a large volume of traffic of tractor trailers that are rolling from the ports up to Greenville and Columbia, Myrtle Beach. They're coming and going all the time, and we have tractor trailer collisions a lot.
Mark, you've recently been invited to join a national group that tries to prevent such accidents. What exactly is the mission of this group you've been invited to join?
It is a national group of lawyers representing injured plaintiffs who are involved in tractor trailer collisions, and the primary goal of this group is to educate people about the dangers of tractor trailer accidents, with one of the facets being driver fatigue.
And why do you feel it's so important to hold truck drivers and trucking companies to higher standards?
A tractor trailer driver is a professional. He is paid to drive on the roads. He is paid to do a job of being on the roads, and he is held to a higher standard of care on the roads in making sure that his actions don't result in people getting injured.
Mark, do you have any advice for drivers on the safest way to share the road with truck drivers?
When you're driving on the roads, if you come upon a tractor trailer, don't follow them. Either get well ahead of them or stay well behind them, but don't draft right behind them. Don't sit alongside of them. Get around them or stay far behind them. Give them a safe distance.
And why, in your opinion, is it so important to go to an attorney who's experienced with trucking accidents if you're injured in one of these type crashes?
There are a number of federal regulations that are involved here, and someone who just handles routine day-to-day automobile accidents is not going to be familiar enough with these regulations to be able to properly and adequately represent someone to know if a trucking company, for chance, is violating a federal regulation with regards to how it maintains its safety program.
Mark, thanks so much for joining us and sharing some of that information.
Josh, thanks a lot. Glad to be here, and any way that I can help, I certainly do appreciate it.
Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.